Okay everyone, so we have this box here. This is a box for a battery, the housing for a battery of an e-bike. Opening this up, I found that they use like 3 of these motorcycle batteries, which are not really fit for a e-bike controller or a e-bike for that matter. So I'm gathering here some cells that I'm going to retest and then build a 10S battery out of them. I'll be using this BMS here from a hoverboard. This is a 10S BMS. Hopefully it's gonna be working. We're gonna try that once we finish assembling the battery. For now, just doing some preparation. I have here these cells that have been tested. The capacity have been tested twice. So this was my initial testing, and then I checked them using the liter colors, Li500s, and they tested again. They're pretty much the same with some variations, minor variations. So yeah, what we are going to do now is we're gonna use our what are they called? Okay everyone, so as I was saying, we're going to try and remove this residue of the spot welds on the cells using our angle grinder. So we're going to remove that. I've already done this set here. This set has been tested and grinded as well. We're going to do this one. This one has not been tested yet. I mean retested, because I've already tested them, but just to make sure, because I'm building this for someone and I wanted it to be accurate. So I've got a bunch of other cells are being tested here. So once these are fully tested, we're gonna grind them as well and prepare them for spot welder. So yeah, just gonna while waiting for the others, we're just gonna grind these and let's get that over with. And I can light it on, take it, maybe some gloves.